Climb, I fucking dare you. Climb right now. Or see. Oh my god, you did good! Oh! Your mic reminds me of Dantes. Bro, me and Dantes aren't compatible in the same situation because I don't fumble tens. They fumble me because I'm the 10. Wait,
Yeah.
is it like actually a kiss?
Hindi sa ano, sa cheeks lang.
Oh, okay.
It's still a kiss, bro.
Remember.
Aha. Di ba, team?
Tawa.
Locking.
There are some things better off left unsaid.
The past is in the past.
Yeah, the past is in the past, bruh. How do you grow junkles? Oh!
They're
Whoa.
not big.
Whoa!
Shorty pa kagat.
Huh? Oh! Guys, I'm just using it.
Bulacan?
Pause. Sinto. Wait lang.
Sorry. Wala pa palang 10. Bro, stop. What the fuck?
Alam mo, may, like, nagdo-donate.
Bro.
Mr. Beast donated $1.65. Big Black Monkey Bear.
Yo! Clip! I clipped that shit. Nuh-uh. No way you're escaping with that, bro. Now.
Yo, why is your logs black? I mean brown.
It, what?
Hanggang Minecraft
It's a jungle log.
You gotta strip it, bro.
What? What?
You gotta strip the logs.
Uh-huh. Sure.
What the log? What?
Nakita po
This
yung
motherfucker
cafe nyo.
guilty.
Nakita po yung cafe nyo na may 2 paketa ng shabu.
Di po sa akin yun, di po sa akin yun.
Ay, gagi, baka nalagay lang po ng customer namin dyan, sir.
Sir, naiwan lang po yan. Di po sa amin yan.
Opo.
Naiwan po nung CEO.
Uy, gago! Ang ino mo ah.
Hindi ka nga nakakausapin ko, pre. An older depressed man looking for attention.
Minecraft villager.
Came here, your teddy bear would change
Minecraft
your
villager.
life. No.
Yeah, why not?
No.
Why?
No way. No.
Tender siya, gaganda siya.
Mentally ill patient, abused prince, the hell.
Nag-iisip pa ako eh.
Yung mo spicy dapat yung mapapa-deep talks tayo.
Lala
Sige.
mo. Di ako
Oh,
magaling sa
ganun dapat. Ganun dapat para hindi boring. Sabi mo boring, di ba? O, di yung ganun tayo, mag-deep talks tayo. Putang ina mo.
Uy, wala ako eh.
You using Squirtle as, you know, material?
Mama, I hear a zombie.
Squirtle, bro.
Please
Squirtle
get
fetish.
away from me. I don't like zombie. Please.
You don't like zombies. But the previous guy was one.
Whoa! Yo! Pause, bruh. Now.
I was like, what the fuck?
Understandable.
Diba? I
Yeah.
was
Tang
really
ina nito ni Kuya Andre, o tigil mo yan. Alam ko ngayon ka nagpapatugtog niyan. I got into Yuri because of her.
Who the fuck is Yuri? Panelist?
sa deep talks eh.
Sige, explain mo yung ano, metodolohiya ng iyong pag-aaral.
Mag-leave ka na sa call.
Ay, sige, ulitin ko.
Sige.
Kaya pala mahilig ka dun sa taong mahilig mag-deep talks because yung mga tanong mo, kumain ka na ba?
Tangina mo.
Huminga ka na ba?
Sorry ah.
Yeah.
BFF lore. Rah.
Crazy BFF floor.
Oh my god.
Ano nga yung kanta yung muling ibalik? Muling ibalik.
I
Kami.
miss. I will probably avoid the decisions that like led me to shit. Like meeting Liam, I would avoid that. Yes.
Sim.
Honestly, bro, he looks like a villager. I don't know why. Please don't clip that. Please don't clip. No! Thought,
Pero
yung nakita ko yung TikTok mo.
to be
Like,
honest,
what the hell?
when I fall in love kasi like I honestly don't think about their looks. Like you could look like a fucking Minecraft
horse.
skeleton. Yeah, a fucking Minecraft horse or some shit. I would still love you if you like made me fall in love. Like pero yeah, I honestly don't care about the looks once I fall in love.
Sim, kaya ka pansexual.
Ano ba? Bakit ba palagi ako nakaka-attract ng mga taga-all-boys school? Nakakainis.
Bro, what if they gay, bro?
I fucking know, right? Like, I don't have to worry about girls, but I have to worry about your homies having crushes on you. You know?
Yay.
Shit like that.
Sa mama.
I'm kidding, I don't actually give him that.
Clip that. Dog abuse.
I buy him, like, the treats from BGC. The one that costs, like, fucking 300 pesos for a pack.
Oh. Yeah, man.
Treats from BGC. They would literally buy
Alam
some
mo.
and cereal. What the fuck?
Bakit? Gusto ko yung nasa BGC, tangina mo. I gotta smoke my
Lalaman-
kid.
Honestly, hindi, pero honestly, yung treats sa SNR mas masarap.